Welcome to Married in Real Estate.
This is a tour of our latest listing on 268 Mount Vernon Drive in the city of Decatur.
It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost half an acre lot,
3,152 square feet, 2,800 of that being above grade.
and below grade is 294 square feet. As we enter this beautiful historic cottage masterpiece, you're gonna love the site finished floors, lots of natural light, cozy fireplace. That's a wood burning fireplace. The keeping room opens up to this beautiful screened-in porch. You can enjoy your coffee in the mornings, not be attacked by all the Georgia bugs. I know the sellers really love and use this room so much.
The screen porch connects right into the office den. This is a perfect room for working at home, a music room, an art studio, so many ways to use this space. The sellers just redid this beautiful kitchen. Shaker front cabinetry with a 36-inch cooktop, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. And look at the detailing, the custom backsplash, the floating shelves. If you are a cook, this is going to be the kitchen for you. In addition to the island space, you also have a peninsula with bar stool seating, perfect for lunches and snacks. The beautiful kitchen opens right into the living room.
I love this living room. Tray ceilings, windows everywhere, gas fireplace, built-in cabinets for your entertainment area, great family space. I think the next will be your favorite feature of this home. Look at this covered porch. It is insane. You're gonna spend most of your time out here. Beautiful stone fireplace, wood burning, and you have an additional stonescape area for more great entertaining. And as you can see, this house features a half pipe. How cool is that? Your kids are gonna love it. As you can see, this is such a unique backyard. It's large, it's private, it has a lot of neat options.
As you come back into the room, you have the living room right there on the left. And we continue through to the dining room. It's huge. You could probably fit 12 to 15 people in here for holidays and special occasions. Beautiful crystal chandelier. An original shelving, original to the home, a really cool feature in the dining room.
Conveniently located laundry room just off of your owner's suite. Now we are into the owner's suite on the main level. Hardwood floors again, crown molding. As you can see, lots of windows, plantation shutters, double closets, and the owner's spa-like bathroom is beautiful. This is a Tuscan masterpiece with beautiful tile, seamless glass shower door, double vanities, soaking tub. The shower has some great details, including floor-to-ceiling tile and pebble tile flooring.
Off the living room at the front of the home, we have an additional secondary bedroom or guest suite because it does have its very own private bathroom, vintage tile, just really cool tile detailing with modern touches and updates. Right outside of this bathroom, there is a really cool built-in feature. You can have extra storage here for your guests.
Upstairs, we have 2 more bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. I love the shape of these bedrooms. They are so unique. The Jack and Jill bath is large, double vanities, stone counters, shaker cabinets. Your kids or guests will not be disappointed. And the final room up here is the largest room. Everyone's gonna fight over this one. And it even has a built-in study area. This room would just be so much fun to have. This house even has some really cool old features, like this brick accent wall. Now we're heading down to the basement, which is a really cool multifunctional room. As you can see, this is set up for some really fun ping pong games. There is a loft style bed up there. This space is heated and cooled. And then you have an additional area to hang out on the couch, watch some movies. There is also a huge closet for more storage. And this actually is a tandem garage if you needed to have a garage instead.
This home has such great curb appeal and we'd love to show it to you. Give us a call for your own private tour.
Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. And remember, every move counts.